All right, hey guys, we're going to talk a little bit about how to work through your Macbeth Act 1. So you'll find Macbeth here. On this first page, you will see different versions of the text. You can pick whichever one you like. You can read them all if you want. You should have already worked through your pre-reading activities, and would take us into Act 1. So here in Act 1 at the first page, we have two different audio versions of it. You can choose to read it, or listen, or do both. Shakespeare is a play. It is meant to be seen, so hearing it might be a little bit more beneficial for you, so you can choose one of those. All right, so once you're done reading/listening, you'll have a summary activity. Okay, 7 to 10 main points of events that happened during the first act. It does not need to be in paragraph form. You can write it in point form if you want. Okay, you'll then have a comprehension quiz. So you can either click here or click here. Very quick, easy questions to make sure you've done the reading. And then you can go to the next page where I explain Act 1. This phase though. Okay. Hopefully if you have any questions, this will help you out, but if not, we can answer more questions in the future. Bop on to a reading. This tells us about the three witches. So you need to read that reading in order to understand this next activity, which is an analysis or a reflection on the three different versions of the first scene. So they're all in this video. You just hit click play, and they'll all show up. Once you finish that, an example or an explanation of one of Lady Macbeth's soliloquies and two different versions. Taking you to our final assignment for the act, or second final assignment. Basically, you're deciding what should happen. Once you finish that, you have a main assignment, which is your interview with a character. Okay, so this will be due on the 6th. And we will talk about it more in the future, but that's your main assignment. And then we end the unit with a SparksNotes summary that if you click on, it'll just take you to what's happening in each act, in each scene. And so that's all we have for Act 1.